Want to change the country shown on your Instagram profile? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to do it on your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Settings and Activity. Scroll down until you find Account Type and Tools. If your account is still personal, tap Switch to Professional Account. Tap Continue through the introduction screens. Then choose any category that best matches your profile. Next, tap Switch to Professional Account and select Business instead of Creator. After that, tap Next. Instagram may automatically fill in your contact information. Tap Business Address. Now, enter the city, state, and country you want to display on your profile. Then tap Done. Tap Next. If Instagram asks you to connect to Facebook, simply tap Not Now to skip that step. Now, return to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down and tap Contact Options. Make sure your business address is added correctly. If not, tap Business Address and update it. Go back, then tap Profile Display. Turn on the toggle for Display Contact Information. That's it. Go back to your profile and refresh the page. Your selected business location, including the country, will now appear on your Instagram profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.